Welcome to Landing Page Revolution Mailer. This software has been developed to help with Landing Page Revolution and Landing Page Revolution Pro. What it does is collect from your list. It's going to create what's called short links, if you're not familiar with short links. Basically, it will turn a link like that into a link like that, and it will email the contact at the same time if you want it to. So let's have a look at the software quickly. We've got an interface like this. Now you've got three options. The first is just to get short links, so it will create a database for you of all your contacts, and it will create short links for them. The second option is to create the short links, and at the same time it will send the mail for you. And the third option is if you've already got a list and either it contains short links or it doesn't, it will send the emails for you without having to go and get new short links. So this is how it works. First of all, you'll choose a file of your contacts. So if we choose the example one here, we've got just two there to make it nice and quick. Let's go and choose that file. Okay, and then we're going to choose another file to save the data. So this is going to, if we're going to get short links, it's going to create a list database of your contacts with the short links. So let's go and do that first. So we just select create a file. We've got one there already, so let's create another one. Example saved to. We'll call it a .csv. You can use .txt if you want. It doesn't make much difference. So we'll save that. Now all you need to do is tell the software which column in your CSV files contain the various fields. So let's ignore, well actually this one, sending short links, is only relevant if you're going to be using the just send mail. So that's going to, we'll come back to that when we send mail. For the moment we're just going to get short links. So it's going to first ask here, does the CSV file have field names? So what we're referring to that is, let's see, here we've got field names. So the first row contains the names of the fields. Now if the file such as this one doesn't have that, it goes straight from the data, then we'll select no for the field names. There are no field names. And then we're going to tell it where the what the columns are. So the first name column, in this case, is the second column. And the email column was the first. There's no short link column. That will only be relevant when you've actually got a file that contains short links. So that's for this one here, sending mail. And then we'll what column is the first variable. So we're going to use, in this instance, we've got three variables and we're using the first name as the first variable as well. So let's select that. Then second variable will be then column 3, and the third variable is column 4. So if you just come back and have a look, you'll see the email is column 1, first name column 2, second variable column 3, third variable column 4. Okay, then you're going to put in the URL of your landing page. And then because in this instance we're just getting short links, we're not sending an email out, we don't need to worry about the email subject line or message. So let's just go ahead and click that. And you'll see it's checking the license. Okay, now it's telling us the job's done. So let's go and have a look at the file. Email saved to, open that up, and there we can see it's created a file that contains the short links. If we take this one for example, Jane, or I'll take the one above, John Doe GD product, that's the variable we're using there. If I paste the shortcode in here, you'll see when we come onto the page, it's got John Doe's variable in it. So that's the first one, getting the short links. The second one does exactly the same thing, but it also sends mail at the same time. Now it sends the mail one email out every 60 seconds. That's to ensure that you don't get any trouble with your ISP. Normally you're restricted to about 500 emails a day with a shared hosting provider. So in this instance we've limited it to 1 per minute, and I would suggest that you keep it to 500 per day if you're going to do that many. And so the second option, get short links and send mail, it will use the same or similar file. It's then going to, again, you'll use a saved file, and all you'll do then is select no for sending short links, and we don't need to worry about short link column either, because these are only relevant to when you're just sending mail. Now when you come back down to the subject line, the software will already put their first name in, and it will take it from this column here that you've given. So it's going to put their name in, then it's going to put a dash, and then it's going to put whatever you put here. So if I put here, watch this now, and then you can put whatever message you would put in your email. It will already put the signature in for you. What you'll do is you'll come up here, and in the email settings you'll need to put in, let me pull it across for you, you'll need to put in your username, your password, the mail server, the port, and your email signature. So you can get all that from your hosting provider, and so long as that's in correctly, it will work fine. You can always create a CSV file to test it for yourself. So once those are all done, all you would then do is click short links and send mail. And the same thing with when you're just sending mail, you'll select a file, and then you're going to have to say whether you're sending short links or not. Now most of the time it's a good idea to send the short links so that the recipient doesn't see their name or whatever the variables are in the URL. So you'll put yes, you're sending short links, and here you'll have to put the column that the short links are in. So if we come back here, for example, this column is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be column 6. And you would just then select column 6 and then hit just send mail. That's all there is to the software. It's really simple to use, and it will make sure that you can send messages to all of your contacts really quickly, really easily, with a click of one button, and it will send them the short links at the same time. Just if you've got a large list, just click the button and let it run, and it will tell you in the progress bar here how many have been done. Okay, and that's all there is to Landing Page Revolution Mailer. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoy it.